Imagine you wake up tomorrow and gravity is gone. Not forever. Just 5 seconds. Sounds harmless, right? 5 seconds of weightlessness. You float like an astronaut, and then everything snaps back to normal. Except nothing about those 5 seconds would be normal, because in the time it takes to tie your shoes, the entire planet would come apart. In the very first instant, you would lift gently off the floor, hovering above your bed like a balloon, and that would feel magical for about half a second. Because while you are floating, so is everything around you. Your coffee mug, your furniture, the lake outside your window, the entire ocean. Gravity is the invisible hand pressing trillions of tons of air and water against the surface of the Earth. Remove it, and the atmosphere begins billowing outward into space. The oceans rise off the seafloor like blobs in zero gravity, swelling hundreds of meters high. But here is the part most people forget. The Earth is spinning, fast. At the equator, you are already moving sideways at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. Gravity is what tugs you back toward the center every instant, preventing that spin from hurling you into the cosmos. Take that tug away, and you do not float straight up. You drift outward along a straight line, like water droplets spinning off a wet basketball. Within 5 seconds, everything near the equator would slide sideways by more than 2 kilometers. The continents would become a hurricane of drifting debris, floating water, and suspended people. And then, the moment gravity returns. 5 seconds of freefall means everything in the air is now plummeting back down at nearly 50 meters per second, the speed of a car on the autobahn. The atmosphere slams back to Earth in a crushing shockwave. The oceans collapse onto the continents as tsunamis hundreds of meters tall. Every floating building, boulder, and human being crashes back to the ground at lethal speed. And the Earth itself is not spared. The core of our planet is squeezed under crushing pressure from the weight of everything above it. Let gravity vanish, even briefly, and the crust and mantle would rebound outward like a released spring, jolting every fault line on the planet awake. When gravity snapped back, the Earth would literally shudder, ringing like a struck bell. Here is the strange thing to take away. Gravity feels like a small personal force, the thing keeping your feet on the ground. But really, it is the force holding the entire planet together. From the air in your lungs to the molten iron spinning at the core, every layer of Earth depends on that constant, invisible squeeze. We never notice it because it has never gone away. And that is exactly why a single pause, just 5 ordinary seconds, would be enough to unravel almost everything we know.